Today we'll show you how to install the Tekonsha Brakeman IV trailer brake controller, part number 8507120. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all the parts included in the instructions. For this installation, we'll be using the following tools. Start by determining the mounting location. As you make your decision, keep in mind that the Brakeman IV is a time-based brake controller that can be mounted in any direction and in any location as long as it can be seen and operated by the driver. Once you've made your decision, securely mount the bracket. Drilling pilot holes may make this easier. Use the supplied number 8 by 3/8 inch screws to secure it to the vehicle's dashboard. Then, insert the remaining screws on each side of the bracket into the mounting holes to secure the brake controller. Adjust your Brakeman IV's mounting angle to the desired position and tighten until snug. Next, we will connect the brake controller to the vehicle's wiring. Tekonsha offers two types of wiring harnesses to connect your Brakeman IV to your vehicle's electric braking system. The universal harness can be used to hardwire your brake controller into any vehicle's braking system, then easily snaps into the universal connector on the brake controller. Tekonsha's custom brake controller wiring harnesses make it even easier with its plug-and-play design, allowing you to simply plug one end of the connector into your brake controller and the other into the vehicle's electric brake controller harness connector. For this installation, we chose to use a custom brake controller wiring harness to connect the Brakeman IV. It is recommended that you set up and test the functions of the brake controller with the trailer before towing. That concludes the installation for a Tekonsha Brakeman IV trailer brake controller, part number 8507120. For more information on this and other great Tekonsha products, visit tekonsha.com.